Good day to you. Today I will show you how to quickly download videos from TikTok without a watermark. In order to save the video to the phone, we need to copy the link. For this, we go to the TikTok application. On the right next to the sound, we click on the arrow. Here we click the button Copy Link. Next, exit the TikTok application and go to any browser. Enter the link to the site ssstik.io. We insert our link into the input line and click the download button. After loading, scroll down the page a little and find a button without a watermark in HD. Click on it and the video starts downloading to our device. Then after the file has downloaded, open it, and the video without a watermark. Thank you all very much for watching. If the video was useful, then be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments.